Good morning, everybody in Apple and Pear class, and I hope you've had a great weekend. And I'm sure that you are all waking up this morning thinking, where's the snow? Where's the snow? Well, it's not quite the snow we were hoping for, is it? But hopefully you've had time to go out and explore it a little bit. Look, there's a little bit left in my garden. Slightly disappointing, so fingers crossed for more. Now, I know that your teachers have been reading you the 4 books that have been nominated for the West Sussex Picture Book Awards. I wonder which is your favourite. I think I know which one mine is. So is your favourite one about somebody who is very, very worried all the time, and this worrying stops him having great fun? But in the end, he realises if he worries less, he'll be able to have a great time out in the big wide world. So I wonder if your favourite is this one. Which one is it? Which one is it? Which one is it? Is Jeremy Worried About the Wind your favourite book? Or could it be that your favourite book is about a tiny little creature who has got big dreams? Is your favourite book, rather lovely one here, is it Mabel and the Mountain? Could that be your favourite? I wonder. Is your favourite one about a little creature, a little animal, much smaller than everybody else, who managed to make a big difference? And which one was that one? Can you remember? Which one was it? It was The Littlest Jack. I wonder if that one's your favourite. Or could it be, I wonder if you can remember which the last one is, could it be one that Mrs. Gallimore really struggled to read because she found it so funny? It made her laugh a lot, and it is a funny story. Is your favourite one this one? Ooh, what's it called? What's it called? What's it called? Is your favourite one Sneaky Beak? Now, when you've decided on your favourite of those 4 books, I'd like you to let your teachers know, please, because the teachers will let me know, and the year 1 and 2 teachers in Ash and Elm classes will let me know Ash and Elm classes' favourites too, and we'll put all your choices together, and then we'll send off our favourite book title to the West Sussex Libraries, who will then, shortly after half term, announce the winner of the West Sussex Picture Book Award. So is it going to be Sneaky Beak, The Littlest Jack, Mabel and the Mountain, or Jeremy Worried About the Wind? And remember, teachers, you can put in your favourites too. So I can't wait to hear. Now, I just want to say a huge congratulations to all those children who are still doing brilliant learning at home. And of course, all the children in school. It was lovely to see you when I was in last week. But all those children at home who are sending in superb work that they've been doing. And there were a few that really made me smile when I had a little look today. And Emily and Mummy, some great maths that you were doing together. And I saw some brilliant phonics, people learning the ear trigraph. Fantastic. And I think the ones I was looking at this morning, I saw Rose and Eloise doing a brilliant job and beautiful writing. Very impressive. And I did see a lovely video from Mia and her mummy, and they were doing the 10 in the bed, and the little one said, and she was acting it out with her teddy. So I hope you're all having fun with your learning this week. So keep going, guys. And remember, next week, you get a week off your learning to spend some time with your family. So let's just keep going this week because you've got so many fun things set by your teachers. Well done, everyone. See you soon. Bye.